Hello everybody, happy Thanksgiving 2019, Adam Rucker here. I'm super excited to bring you along for another Rucker family Thanksgiving. We have all but one of the 7 nieces and nephews. There's one right there, little Reedy. Hi little Reed. Little Reed, you look like a little Cabbage Patch doll. With my sister Christina.
Hello.
Hi Christina. And the man of the hour, Dad.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
What is your apron today?
It's,
hot sauce?
Yes, hot sauce.
All right. Tell me what's going on. You've got an empty pan. Usually there's...
I'm trying to find out where to put it.
Oh, there's the turkey. We got a big turkey this year?
Yeah, pretty big. We got... we're gonna have to let it sit just a little bit so we can start carving it.
Okay.
And so it'll be nice and juicy.
Mom, hi.
Hi, darling.
Hi, how's it going?
Just fine.
Good. And Chase?
Hi.
Little
Happy Thanksgiving.
eggnog mustache. You might want to wipe that off. What did you contribute to lunch this year? Anything?
I'm about to make some gravy. Yeah.
That's the hardest thing.
How do you do that? You're just taking the dripping?
Yeah. You get the livers and the gizzards and the neck and put some flour.
Okay, your son is digging in the trash. You might want to
Out of the trash.
stop that.
He does.
I also brought my world famous stuffed jalapenos. They're wrapped in bacon. They are so good. People love them. And I brought cornbread this year. Let me see if I can show you some of it. Dad, check out this cornbread.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah,
Wow,
thanks.
that's pretty cool.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And
Let's go see what's happening in here. It's very noisy. All right, Charlie, how old are you now?
8.
8? Now, a lot of people watching my videos saw you when you were when you were baby. Like the first time I met you. Do you remember that?
No.
Wow. Meet your new nephew. Charlie, you just met your favorite uncle ever. That's very cool.
Called the brat child.
You don't remember the first time you met me?
If I call you, nope.
That was early on. You definitely coined the term. What's my name?
Nope.
Anope?
Nope. Your name, nope.
You're Anope?
No. My name's Ty.
Now who else is over here?
Luke, Brooklyn, Ashley, and Ruby.
Where's Sydney?
Well, she is sick.
Oh. Alright, well that's no good. Luke, where were you last week?
Adventure Landing.
Adventure Landing? No, where else were you? Hey Brooklyn.
Disneyland.
Disneyland? You went without me?
Yeah.
How dare you? It's unbelievable. Ashlyn, how's it going, girl?
I would have, but my mom and dad didn't let me.
Oh. Well, I've got a bone to pick. Justin?
yes.
Luke just told me that
There you go.
Mom and Dad said Adam couldn't come to Disney.
Excuse me?
I said, why didn't you invite me? He said I would have, but Mom and Dad said no way.
Luke is known for making things up. Look at that smile on his
Oh! I think it's very interesting. Morgan and John, how are y'all doing? Good.
We would always invite Adam to Disney.
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that. Although I know Morgan went recently without me as well. It's fine. No big deal.
But only because we like live right there.
Fair enough.
We had
Maybe
to see Harry Potter.
you went to Harry Potter too?
It was amazing.
What was your favorite part?
The wand store.
Oh, did you get chosen by Ollivander?
Of course.
Did you really? Oh, I did. It was
You actually
awesome.
did, okay.
The wand chose me.
My dear young friend, I believe we have found the perfect fit.
It was all.
Yeah.
It was worth the
I
whatever
chose the wand.
$100 I spent on the wand just for the experience. But and then over here is little baby Grace. Sorry, she's such a handful.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna try to figure everything out for Thanksgiving. And we'll be back in just a second. Dad's carving the bird. Dad's carving the bird, everybody.
Yes.
Oh, Cousin David, good to see you. What did you contribute today?
Quiche Lorraine and cowboy caviar.
Oh,
You can transfer that over there if you want a big bird.
wasn't expecting that. All right, see you in a second. Morgan?
Hi.
Yeah.
I don't think that's on the diet of things I'm supposed to eat right now.
Oh, because you don't want a deviled egg?
No, I
You
don't
sure?
Think I can.
No
Yeah,
deviled
but I'm
eggs
not
with the
allowed to.
preggers.
Oh,
Wish.
okay. Wow. I didn't know that was a thing. I've
I
never
think it probably is.
heard that before. Yeah, better safe than sorry, I guess.
But how many
Okay.
would like one?
Would you like one? Okay. And why don't you introduce yourself? You're new.
This is David's lovely girlfriend, Amadine.
Oh, see, I knew that, but like,
Right.
people are gonna be very disappointed. They're big David fans out there.
Uh-oh. He's no longer single.
She bagged him.
Sorry, lady.
She bagged him. Cousin David. That's my favorite comment. It's like not like, oh Adam, we love hanging out with you, seeing your videos. It's like, hey, Cousin David's pretty cute. I'm like, wow. Thanks. David, we just met your girlfriend.
Yes.
A lot of YouTube commenters are going to be disappointed.
Oh, okay.
Cousin David's always a big commenting getter
Oh.
on the videos.
I didn't know this.
Yeah, oh, you knew. You knew. You was like, oh, I had no idea. Wow.
I had no idea.
Oh, okay. Hey, Noni's here. Happy Thanksgiving, Noni. You made the trip up. How's it going?
It's going great. Had a good trip up from Houston.
Perfect. It is cold. We're finally getting a little winter weather here in Dallas. So I'm happy about
And
that.
fall.
And fall. It feels like fall. The leaves are down.
No. Yeah.
Heavy on the trees.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The kids are playing get the ball, and I got the ball! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. Ruthless. John, have you tried my bacon wrapped jalapenos yet?
I have, and I can tell you, they're probably the best thing on this table.
Whoa! Thank you. I worked really hard on them, but I just kind of threw them together. Put them in the oven.
They taste like you spent hours and hours.
Thank you so much. I got them at Kroger. They're pre-made. You just put them in the oven. It's really easy.
Which burger was that?
What are you? How dare you? How dare you? How big a bird did we have this year?
Mom, how big a bird?
14 pounds.
14 pounds.
14 pounds.
About how long did that take to microwave?
No, she did it in the oven. This is old time, old school.
Oh, I thought you could microwave a turkey.
You might be able to, yeah. But this is, you get nice, all the browning and all that gets done just right. So it's good.
So you're telling me you would try microwaving a turkey, a raw turkey?
It's been done. I wouldn't do it.
Dad, you're not supposed to fall for that.
No.
That's not okay. Morgan, how long would you microwave a turkey? A raw turkey?
You can.
Okay, all you people saying you can microwave a turkey are insane.
You can. It's been done.
No.
Big
No.
enough turkey.
No.
Big enough microwave.
That's crazy. Chase?
I've had microwave turkey before.
What? From raw?
Yeah. I want to say it took like maybe an hour and a half. It took a while.
Are y'all punking me? Did you get together to talk about this?
You're not like microwaving it on high.
I can't even understand this.
Hey, Adam, your dip's good.
Thank you. Thank
Your
you.
dip is really good.
Thank you. Yeah, I made that from scratch too.
Is that scratch from Whole Market?
This is Costco. Costco scratch. Aunt Risa, how long would you microwave a turkey for?
Microwave? How big?
14 pounds.
4,500. What?
You're not supposed to say you can microwave a turkey. You're supposed to say that's crazy.
I've tried it before.
Grace, these people are nuts.
All right.
Hey, Chase.
Yo,
What are those?
those are Crocs.
What?
Camo
Crocs.
Is that alligator print
No,
camo?
it's called Cryptic Camo, I believe.
That's horrible. That's the worst shoes I've ever seen.
How can that be?
They're Crocs and they, oh my gosh. Yeah, what you're looking at my shoes trying to think of something bad to say.
Yeah. Well, I used to have shoes just like that, and then my mom got a job. So.
Are you gonna let your husband speak to me like that?
I just heard what you said about his shoes.
Do you think his shoes are nice?
Yeah, I like them. They help him pick them out.
Hey, if you can't take the heat, stay out of the kitchen.
And I'm on my way out. This is ridiculous.
Hey, Bubba.
All right, everyone, I just wanted to say there's a big pile of cornbread here. If you like it, I made it, and if you don't like it, David made it. Well, guys, I'm just gonna get to my seat real quick. Just right here. This is great. Thank you for saving me a chair. Oh no, it's fine. I'm real happy right here. Very thankful. Morgan, what do you think of the cornbread? Is it? You enjoying it?
I missed it because it was so popular.
Oh, you didn't even get a piece?
Not yet.
Okay. Got an emergency. Dad is rigging together the kids' folding chair with what appears like straps that are used to like secure 18-wheelers. Wow. How's the food?
The food's great, especially the cornbread.
Thank you. You didn't have to say that.
Notice how much I've eaten of the cornbread.
Yeah, it looks completely intact. Is that your second or third piece?
We'll take the first bite of the third piece.
Oh, got it. Yeah, I'd love to watch you try that.
Oh, absolutely.
That's good.
I need a beverage.
Yeah. So glad I found a seat by you.
It tastes really good.
Yeah, thanks.
Now that I realize yours, it's the best.
Yeah. How are things at the kids' table?
We got scored.
You got mac and cheese? What? That's not fair.
I wanted you to go to Disneyland.
Yeah, I bet you did. Someone didn't ask. Little Ash, do you like your food? Yeah?
Yeah.
BK? How's the food?
Good.
Okay, good.
I'm eating my country
Charmaine?
food. What? I mean,
How was the food?
not that good.
Oh my goodness. Don't tell Pops and Gigi that. Brad. Grace, you are getting out of hand, okay? I'm gonna need you to calm down. What are you doing with that knife? Justin? Daughter is holding a knife. Oh! Baby with a knife.
She has such a scared look on her face when you jumped.
You wouldn't do anything. Dad, I gotta escape into the kitchen where it's quiet.
I know, man.
How was dinner overall?
It was just fabulous.
Yeah?
Really, it just came out great this time.
We got any leftovers?
Yeah, we got leftover ham.
Oh wow. Why is there an egg in the middle?
Uh-oh, just underneath it.
Oh, escaped deviled egg. All the kids are really wanting the dessert. Dad, Pops' kitchen crew is really ready to help, aren't y'all?
Yeah, okay, let's get things ready to cut.
Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you. The kids are really excited about your birthday. They can't wait to celebrate.
So hurry
Wow.
up and cut the cookie.
Yeah.
Get at it.
Hey, Brookie, do you want to show off this drawing you did of me?
Flag.
You want to hold it?
Every big town.
Look at that. That's me right in the middle.
Discipline.
My glasses. Now, who are these? Who are they?
That's on the coat.
You and Ashlyn? I love it. Thank you for that. Make me look really cute. One of my favorite things to do on Thanksgiving is pretend that I have any idea what's going on with the Cowboys game. So today, every once in a while, I just say something about how bad Jason Garrett is. Am I right? Oh, am I right? He's terrible. Get him out. Get him gone. We gotta start winning. Oh, another field goal.
That was extra point.
Wow.
Pull Jimmy Johnson out of retirement.
Yeah, come
Come on
on.
back, Jimmy.
When are we gonna get
Jimmy.
Witten the ball? Come on. All you have to do is just kind of scream a couple words and then it'll get them all riled up.
He said that if he
My
doesn't-
dad will go off on it for minutes.
Hey, Aikman's been coaching from the booth.
Yeah. Oh.
From the booth.
From the booth? What are y'all laughing at back here?
Yeah, I know. I mean, he was.
I know football.
Valid points.
Hey Charlie, what are you thankful for this year?
Football.
Okay. Thought you might say me. David, what are you thankful for?
Everything.
Oh, good. Good. John.
Adam.
Morgan. Wow. Aunt Risa.
Oh, we're just so thankful for Adam.
What? Guys, this is just a love fest. All right, folks, I think Thanksgiving's about wrapped up. Reed, do you have a good Thanksgiving? Yeah. Bobby, we're signing off.
Bye. Happy
See ya.
Thanksgiving.
Morgan, next year we'll have a little baby. John, you excited?
Absolutely.
John's had a lot of practice with the kids today.
I am the Thanksgiving Jungle Gym.
Yep, the Thanksgiving Jungle John for sure. Dad, wrapping up Thanksgiving. It's time to say goodbye.
Just glad everybody could come over. This was a fabulous Thanksgiving. Really, you know, you had. I think we had 19 people.
Whoa! And you've gotten a lot of my. This dip went a long way thanks to Costco. You're still nibbling on it.
Yeah, it's good stuff, Adam. You did make some good stuff this year.
Yeah, made the cornbread. That's the only thing I actually made. And threw that dip in there. So all in all, a very good year, don't you think?
Tell everybody hi, and it was the wishes I got for my birthday. That was really special.
Oh yeah, Dad had a very nice 70th birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Daddy Rucker. Just want to wish you a happy 70th birthday all the way from the UK.
Wow. Watching you and Adam's vlogs wearing your tiny aprons and cooking up a storm in the kitchen at Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Wow, that's awesome. Man, that was just incredible. I mean, that was just touched my heart. to see
People
all
from the UK.
Yeah, I know. I mean, that was incredible, amazing. Thank y'all so much.
And then to see the, well-wishers and all that from all over the globe, that was neat.
Yeah, your fans. Anything to say to your fans?
Just thank you all very much, and those were some great times when we made the movies up in the attic and Squirrel and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun.
It's crazy.
Thank y'all.
Been through a lot on YouTube. You guys, thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed. Happy Thanksgiving. Anything else you want to say?
I don't like you.
He doesn't like me.
Well, yeah.
Yikes.
It's being funny.
I better be. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving 2019. Adam Rucker here for another. Mom, do you mind?